Let's begin with vegetables. If you've never grown food before, these are some of the easiest and most rewarding crops to start with. Lettuce grows quickly and is one of the few vegetables you don't have to harvest all at once. Simply pick a few leaves whenever you need them and keep the plant producing. Spinach loves cooler temperatures of spring and autumn and is packed with nutrients. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables you can produce. Some varieties are ready in little as 3 to 4 weeks, making them perfect if you're looking for quick success. Carrots take a little longer, but there's something incredibly satisfying about pulling them from the soil and discovering what has grown beneath the surface. French beans are reliable, productive and easy to care for. They don't need much attention and often produce generous harvests throughout the summer. Peas are another favourite. Give them a simple trellis or some garden twine to climb and they'll reward you with sweet crunchy pods. And when summer arrives, cherry tomatoes become the stars of the garden. Give them plenty of sunshine, regular watering and a sturdy support, and they'll keep producing fruit for weeks. Bell peppers thrive in Toronto's warm summer weather and will also grow well in large containers. Cucumbers love climbing, so training them up a trellis saves space while making harvesting easier. And then the zucchini. If you've ever heard gardeners joking about having too many courgettes, now you'll know why. Just 1 or 2 plants can produce an astonishing harvest through the summer.